All right, now let's focus on the step number 3. Now, see, the final aim is to find a force which is capable of neutralizing the resultant. So, if you want to find out the force, which is a third force, what you have to do is you have to find the resultant, which we did, and then reverse the sign of the resultant. So if you see in the step number 3, the third force has been shown as minus 40I minus 60J. So which means the pole is in equilibrium now. It has a third force being applied which is capable of balancing the resultant of A and B. So this condition is called as equilibrium. Three forces acting on the pole, and the third force is acting like a balancer. So the pole is in equilibrium now. Now our aim is to find just the horizontal component of this, which is minus 40I. So the step number 3, if you see the diagram on the top, there is a third force which has been shown to be in reverse direction as resultant, which means it is minus 40I minus 60J. So, vector algebra involves a lot of diagrams. Your first aim should be to understand the diagram and then go and solve the vector algebra problem. Thank you.